I put the steak in boiling water. I learned this at a 5-star steakhouse. Here we have a pot with boiling water. I'll add 4 whole garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, and give it a stir. After that, I'll add 600 grams of meat and let it cook for 10 minutes. After that time, we'll take it out, place it on the cutting board, and season with salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Tell me how you make steak at home. I'd love to know your recipe. We'll flip the meat to season the other side the same way. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Christopher Wilson from Chicago, Illinois. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Make meat like this at home and then come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Now we'll put this meat into the pan, which already has hot oil, and let it fry. You can serve it with a nice side dish, some rice, a salad. When one side is fried, I'll flip it to fry the other. At this point, we can take it out and place it on the cutting board. We'll cut it into smaller pieces. At family barbecues in my home, it's always a huge success, and I'm sure in your home, it will be no different. This recipe will become a routine in your house. That's how delicious it is.